Javon, move with this water.
Come on,
I'm not playing with you.
We gonna take a shower together. Since you say I stink.
What's up, BB gang? It's your girl Shafa, and as y'all can see by the title of this video, guys, I'm going to be pulling a prank on Javon Bennett. So right now, guys, I'm trying to be a little quiet because right now he's helping his sister do some homework or something. Doing a prank. It's called telling my boyfriend he smelled like ass. He smelled like poop, to see his reaction. So yeah, guys, right now I'm just gonna lay in the bed acting like I'm just texting on my phone or whatever. And if he don't come back in time, like, you know, in 2 minutes or whatever, I'm probably text him and be like, babe, what you doing? Or hopefully he'll come in the room and, you know, check up on me or whatever. So yeah, guys, I'm about to get right into this video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment in the comment section, hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a video, guys. And in the comment section below, hashtag Team Shy Bun, because this prank is going all the way up, son, all the way up. So make sure you guys follow my TikTok.
Yeah.
Hey y'all.
What?
Come here, we gotta do this dance.
What dance?
This one, come here.
What?
Come here so I can show you.
Babe, I'm still having cars.
Okay, come here, let's move real quick.
A dance ain't gonna be that quick.
I'm gonna just show you and then we can try to do it later after.
What?
Come over here.
Karen, come on.
Come here.
I call you Karen.
Come here.
Oh, close on. I can see. But you know I'm not gonna let these damn dances.
Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Oh my gosh, you in this soccer ball. Come here. Come here before you break the mirror.
What?
Come here. Come here, come
You give me a kiss?
Wait.
How you gonna call me, boy? You resisted me, bro.
Wait a minute, hold up. Get up.
Wait. What?
Come here.
What?
Come here.
Give me a kiss. What's wrong with you, bro?
Oh, hell no. No.
Man, what's wrong with you?
Javon, bro.
What?
What's going on?
What's going on? What?
Man, how you gonna come in here trying to be all sexual and stuff when you smell like ass?
What?
Javon, smell your arm.
What?
Smell your arm.
Bet you come here and look at the video. Well,
But I call you to look at the video, but I ain't call you to bring all that other stuff with you.
Alright, well, that's the what?
Look, smell on your arm.
What's wrong with my arm? What's wrong with my arm?
Yes, you don't smell it?
No.
So I'm tripping.
Yes, your nose in surgery or something.
Come here.
You can come here. Why you want me to come here? I come here the first time. What do you smell? You smell that?
Javon, no. No.
What's wrong
No.
with you, bro?
Babe.
What?
You stink.
What do you mean I stink?
Hmm?
I took a shower last night. What do you mean I stink?
With soap?
No, with chlorine. Of course, soap.
You should probably use chlorine too. Babe. No. That ain't right. That ain't right.
You ain't right. You ain't so right now.
No, you don't smell right.
What you mean I smell right? Babe, I don't smell nothing.
Babe, I smell something.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Javon, you don't smell it?
No. I smell nothing. You done now?
No. What do you Talk about this.
Talk about what's there to talk about, babe? I don't smell
The
nothing.
way you smell, Javon.
How I smell?
I can't be with someone who smell like that.
What do you mean you can't be someone who's wait, I can.
That you do.
Whoa.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about you.
What's wrong with me?
The way you smell.
I don't smell nothing.
I think you get a little too comfortable.
With what?
With
who?
us. With us.
Ain't that the point of the relationship? To be comfortable?
Yeah, but you a little too comfortable. You just let yourself go.
I take more showers than you in a month.
Oh.
What are you talking about?
Hold up. No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
We take the same amount of showers.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
No. When you come from work 11 o'clock in the goddamn night, do you take a shower?
I'm not taking a shower at night. I take a shower
Okay,
the next
you've been
day.
at work for a whole 10 hours.
I'll take a shower the next day.
Okay, but you going to
I'm
bed?
tired. I want to go to bed.
You going to bed with the dirty skin on.
No, I'm not, because I don't do nothing at
Who
work.
won't you run all them other people, that environment, that ear.
Anyways, you getting beside the point.
No, I'm not. Because you
Yes,
talking about
you
me, we're talking about you.
Babe.
Babe, but don't babe me. If
Babe.
me stink, you stink too.
No, I don't.
No one, if me stink, you stink. When you go to work for all 8-10 hours, you come home, you go straight to bed. Normally you be farting and pissing all that. So all down here smell. All back here smell. All this smell. So don't come talk about me. I smell.
I
You need to
take
check yourself
showers.
before you check me. All right?
No, I'm checking you first.
No, you need to check yourself. You smell yourself? You smell yourself in the morning?
Yes.
When did I take a shower?
Last night.
Did I take a shower last night too?
No.
So where were you when I was taking a shower?
I was right here and you was right there.
Well, that's cunt. Listen. So I'm going inside and bed and take a shower. You never hear the water on? So your nose is messed up and your ears is fucked up. So when you get your
Babe,
surgeon.
you get beside the point. The
No, I'm
point
not.
is you stink and we need
I
to do
stink,
something about that.
You stink.
Okay, well we stink together. We need to fix it.
I don't need to fix shit. I don't stink. You stink,
Babe.
not me. Shit, if you want me to express something cologne, you
Do not spray that cologne. I'm not playing with you. Stop. I hate when you do that. Stop, Javon. Stop.
If I don't stink, you gonna stink too.
Stop. I didn't buy you that spray in the house. I buy it to spray on yourself. Stop wasting cologne like that.
If you was accusing me of smelling stink like an ass,
Stop wasting cologne like
Oh, you
that. I'm not
smell it.
playing with you.
It smells better now, isn't it? So you know you're done?
You just put freaking cologne over the must.
Pour sip chop.
What?
My bed last night, alright? I'm gonna put this. Stop. Shut the bomb. Y'all already there.
Wait, you can go take a shower.
You gonna
Go take a shower. You can take a shower.
I'm in the shower. You. How about that?
Babe.
I'm in the shower. You.
Huh?
I'm gonna take a shower.
Huh?
We both gonna take a shower.
We both.
We both gonna take a shower.
I don't need to take a shower.
We both gonna take a shower.
I don't even take one.
Alright, you wanna see?
I'll take one after you take one.
You can't even disrespect me like that. I don't know. We need a shower. Come on, we both gonna take a shower. Come on.
Babe, stop. What are you
We
doing?
both gonna take a shower. Come on.
How we gonna take a shower?
We gonna take a shower right now. Come on.
Whoa.
Come, we gonna take a shower.
No.
You said we need to take a shower. So we both.
You need to take a shower.
You just said you smell too, right?
No, Joe, I'm not playing with you. Go pour it out. Why you playing?
We both gonna take a shower. If I ain't take a shower, we both gonna take a shower.
Why you using fresh soap on your dirty body?
We both. I mean, you talk about my body regardless if it's dirty or clean. We both gonna take a shower. Not just me. We both
ahead.
gonna take a shower.
Stop scrubbing me with the soap.
We both gonna take a shower. Come on.
Boy.
Come on. We both gonna take a
How
shower.
you taking a shower with all those soap and towels is not even wet?
Cause
Stupid.
you clearly said last night
Babe.
I didn't take a shower. When clearly I took a shower. So you know what?
Okay.
I'm gonna bring the shower to you.
I
So
don't
you
need it.
You gonna see that I take a shower.
I don't need it. What the heck?
You gonna see I took a shower.
Babe.
You gonna see that I took a shower. You gonna see I took a
Stop
shower.
playing.
Come on.
No, I'm not playing with you. Stop.
Gee, I'm gonna take a shower.
What is you
I'm
doing?
gonna take a shower. I'm taking a shower. Come on.
Javon, move with this water.
Come on.
I'm
we
not
gonna-
playing with
we
you.
gonna take a shower together. Since you say I stink,
I'm
we
good.
both gonna take a shower.
I'm
You said I
good.
didn't take a shower last night. When you was in here, you saw me in there. So I'm bringing the water to you. Just like this.
No. Oh. Oh.
Oh my God!
What took a shower. I took a shower.
Javon!
I took a shower. You happy now? I took a shower. You happy now? I took a shower.
Javon!
I took a shower.
What the heck is your problem?
I'm showering. You said I didn't take a shower. I'm showering.
In the shower, not in the room.
Boy, I took a shower last night. You said I didn't take a shower. So I bring the shower to
Okay,
you.
why are you putting soap and stuff on?
Don't touch me. You said I smell. Right? Okay.
Javon,
I'll take a shower.
you a character.
Take a shower.
Look, you got the whole room wet.
Yeah, I'll bring the shower to you. That's what you want, right?
Who gonna clean this up?
You can clean yourself up. You can dive in and take a shower too.
I'm not, no. What I didn't take a shower
You
for?
said I didn't take a shower, so you done with me now? Can I go finish what I was doing? I'm my phone now. I'll see you later.
What you need your phone for?
Because I'm gonna go finish what I was doing. Can you come in and talk about I didn't take a shower? No, you need to go take a shower because I took a shower. I smell good now. You wanna smell me now?
No, I'm good. I smell you. I smell you
I smell
now.
like heaven and gods, huh? I know. You motherfucker.
Babe.
Don't ever disrespect me in your life again.
Babe, come here. Babe. You is a lunatic.
What do you want? What?
Did you really just spray all that on you?
You said I didn't take a shower, so I took a shower. I bring the shower to you. You said I didn't take a shower last night, so I bring the shower to you.
You is crazy.
Okay, you know.
Are you gonna clean this up?
She might have dived in and clean yourself up too.
Javon, you cold down, huh? What the crap is wrong with him? Y'all, look at the wall. Look at the floor. He's crazy. He's crazy. Babe.
What you want, bro? Chill. I'm not even doing it. Babe, I'm not even doing it.
Babe. Babe, it was a prank.
I don't care. It's already 2 minutes.
It was a
I don't
prank.
care what it is.
Why you poured all that water on you? Like that. Babe, lift up your shirt.
I don't care if it's a prank.
Lift your shirt up. Let me see. Babe.
No, because
Lift
all
your
my
shirt.
life, I would never classify as being stink or smell like ass.
Oh,
I always
baby.
take a shower every day. For you to come to my own
Oh.
half a heart to say that?
Oh. You said half a heart? Wait, hold on. Wait. Half a heart. Hold up. What you be half a heart?
One heart is mine, one heart is yours.
Oh.
For you to come classify me as that? No.
Man, that was so cute. Okay, it was a prank. I know you smell good. You smell good every day. Babe. He's mad. Babe, I was playing. It was a prank. It was a prank.
Okay, it's a prank. You got me.
Okay, well, open the door.
Why ain't you open the door? Not a part of the prank?
Because. So we can end the video.
They ain't my video. It's your video.
Babe, oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna end the video right here. He's upset, y'all. He called me half of his heart. Oh my gosh. But Javon never stings. I was just playing. I was just trying to get his reaction. As y'all can see, he's crazy. He's a lunatic, okay? But y'all, look at the soap. He even took out a Fresh Bar soap. And he got the good soap too. But alright guys, if y'all like this video that I just did on Javon, make sure y'all like this video, comment in the comment section, put Team Shavon in the comment section below, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be notified when we post another video. And I love you. Babe, come here in the video. Alright, he loves you. And we'll catch y'all in the next prank video. Peace.